Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. Allow me to introduce you to a stylish, affordable, and super functional storage solution. It's the Richer House 3+1 floating shelf set. When it comes to their appearance, these shelves look amazing. They have a sleek and modern design that coordinate perfectly with the other matte black finishes in our restroom. Our guest bath is on the smaller side, so these shelves are perfect for freeing up the countertop and making the whole space just feel more organized and spacious. The built-in towel bar is a wonderful addition to keep the hand towels within easy reach of the sink. The instructions for assembly of the shelves were clear and easy to follow. The shelf parts came pre-drilled and fit together seamlessly. There were a few configuration options, but we selected the single shelf with the towel rack and the triple shelf so that we could split their placement to maximize the convenience of their use. Overall, we couldn't be happier with the Richer House 3+1 floating shelf set. They are stylish, easy to install, and offer great storage for smaller bathrooms. And that's our point of view.